Hey, it's me, Rachel. How y'all doing? I'm gonna go first with my instant lifting serum. I've already moisturized my face, which is very important. It gives a tightening effect. Let it dry real quick. Glorious Touch Primer. Just a little dab will do ya. Then rub that in really good. It helps seal your pores and make sure makeup lasts longer. It's just good stuff, and it has good ingredients in it, good for your skin. I'm going to use the lash serum. Whoops, nope. I'm going to use my eye primer. Because if not, then my lashes, whenever I put my eye primer on, then my lashes get in my way and get it all over my hands. This serum. Let that dry real quick. I don't really know what color I'm going to use. Something pink and brown. Okay, so I'm going to use the new Duet in palette 4. Look at those colors. Looking for a brush. We'll go into Secretive first and use it for like a transition color so it isn't so harsh when I put on my brown. These are buildable. They're amazing. They're so pigmented, you just don't even have to use much. They're gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Okay, now I'm going into that brown. It's like a matte color. But since I added a little bit of Secretive, it'll give it a little bit of shimmer. I like shimmer. But I'm trying to go with the natural kind of flow here, so I'm trying not to go too crazy because I like loud makeup usually. If I can open the dang thing, let's go into that pink color. And we're going to build it up. Look how pretty it is. Let me use it under my brow bone a little bit. It's just awesome. Awesome. Oops, sorry about the thing. I'm trying to get it more situated. So I can see a little better, so y'all can see what I'm doing. A little bit more of that pink. Kind of want it to pop a little bit more. Now time for some eyeliner. Eyeliner makes it a little better. Gotta have my eyeliner. And I'm going without wing jaw. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and put my lash serum on. I usually let this dry before I put my mascara on, but since I'm not going to like wait for 5 minutes, I'm going to go ahead and go in. So you have, oh wait, no, I am going to let it dry. I'm going to go into my Mineral Touch foundation. It's a drip drop formula. Shake it really good. And then I'm going to put about 4 drops on my brush and a little bit of taffeta, because my foundation is almost too light, so I put a little bit in there to darken it up a little bit. And this has amazing coverage because I had some kind of pink undertones for some reason. Let's go into our mascara. This is Epic. It's a one-step program. A one-step process. And that is the Epic. Let me get any fallout and buff this out a little bit better. I'm going in with another coat of Epic. It's all about the lashes, yo. And then the fibers and the gel to seal it. So it's gel, fibers, and gel. The other eye. Well, I sped it up, but I was trying to get you to see my lashes, so then it just looked like I was crazy. Okay, so here's perfect. Oops, sorry, I went out too far, huh? Just put that on my waterline. I'm trying to find... what could it be? Oh, my setting spray. I'm going to put it on my beauty blender. And then I'm going to put a little bit iridescent highlighter. I'm not going crazy on it. I'm just kind of blending it in to kind of lighten up my face there in those areas. Then I'm going to go in with the beachfront bronzer because I'm not going to contour a whole bunch. I'm putting Vanilla Vent on. Just over that highlight because it's like a powder. Now here's our bronzer. It's in Sunset. Just gonna brush that on there. Here is Serene. It is a limited edition blush. I don't know how long. Probably whenever they sell out, they're out. So if you want it, go get it. This is just some powder and taffeta, however the heck you pronounce it. Here's our eyebrow palette. It's in blonde. And I'm going to fill those suckers in. Amazing. It has gel, highlighter. And we're going to go into Lucrative lip gloss and Plush lip liner. And the lip gloss is Lunar. Let me make sure. Yeah. Put that on top of my lip liner. Bada bing. We are so done. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial.